This Haventree Bank Broker Portal video will help you reset your password. The Haventree Bank Broker Portal connects you to the information you need to help your clients. To reset your password, visit the Broker Portal at brokerportal.haventreebank.com. Click on Forgot Password, located below the green Login button. Enter the username or email address that we have on file for you, and click the green Send Verification Email button. If you don't remember which username or email we have associated with your account, please connect with our portal support team at brokersupport@haventreebank.com. Once you've clicked the green button, please check your email. It may take a few moments before your email reaches your inbox. If you don't see it, check your junk folder. The subject of the email you're waiting for is "Here's your Broker Portal password reset link." Within the email, click Reset My Password. This link will expire in 24 hours. The link will direct you to a page asking you to change your password. Type and confirm your new password. Click the green Change Password button. Congratulations, you've now reset your password. You are now automatically signed into the Broker Portal. Don't forget to watch our other videos to learn about the Haventree Bank Broker Portal. Connect with our portal support team at brokersupport@haventreebank.com if you have any questions.